I was lucky recently to have been given 3 vintage sewing machines for free. So let's take a look at them and see what we have. The first is a very dusty 3/4 size crop case. That should clean up easily enough. Opening it reveals an early Singer 99 with knee lever. Straight away I can see there's no power cord or accessories. The first thing I notice is that the base is broken. Nothing a little wood glue won't fix. The decals are all intact, and the bright work is pretty good. The wiring needs looking at before I can plug this in. Underneath is pretty clean, but there's no treasure hiding under there. The bed is dusted with a layer of glitter. Heaven knows what went off here. Everything moves pretty smoothly, so this should be an easy clean-up. It has the early style bobbin winder and non-numbered tension assembly. The Singer serial database app shows this to be a 1938 99K. Next is the machine with a battered cardboard case. The handle is loose and there's evidence of spool pins piercing the cardboard. It can be fixed though, and I may use this for a future video. Inside is a very worn Singer 66. There's some obvious damage to the hand crank. The decals don't match, making me think this was once in a treadle. Again, no accessories and no treasures lurking underneath. You can see how badly worn the decals are. Maybe this is a candidate for a paint job. The machine has the rare black side faceplate and rear cover. Again, this has the early bobbin winder and tension assembly. The Singer serial database app puts this as made in 1926. Finally, this very 1960s table. Excuse the mess in my workroom. This opens up to reveal a Pinnock Class 15 sewing machine in a gorgeous shade of green. Everything seems to move freely enough and it's pretty clean, if in need of a good oil. This is a zigzag machine. Pinnock was an Australian-made machine that was sold throughout Europe until the company closed down in the late 1960s. This machine did come with a foot pedal and a generic looking tin of accessories, including a couple of bobbins and a few presser feet. And a carrier bag full of old thread and an awful lot of tape measures. I hope you've enjoyed my latest haul. If you have, please give this video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of all my future uploads. Thanks for watching.